Here's a quick demonstration on how to cut an onion the fastest way. Carry on watching this video to find out how you can as well. Hello, welcome to Chef in Red's video on the fastest way to cut an onion. Split it in half, put it on the side, twist it around, and have the knife along your knuckle, the top of your finger, and slowly as you're moving the knife along, move your hand at the same time. Obviously you'll be doing it a lot slower than I am currently, but we've all got to start somewhere. Okay, and this time around I'm going to be dicing it. So you slice one way, turn it around, same again on the other side. And as you get towards maybe 2/3, you're finding it's a bit hard to hold on to. Turn it over again and start slicing. Okay, so we're going to do it a little bit more slower so you can get a general gist of what I'm trying to do. The way you want to hold a knife, wrap your fingers around, and you don't want any of your fingers near the blade because you want to keep your fingers. So straight down the middle, there we are, turn it over, lovely. As you can see, I keep my fingers completely free of the blade, that is. You want to slowly start cutting, moving your hand in the same motion as the knife, all the way across. We'll do it again. Okay, lovely. And that's how you do it. The more you practice, the better you'll be. There we are. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Looking forward to the next one.